That neck, eject, gone. I'm still tending to the song. I be blowing up spots like I was sending out mail bombs. Stay calm and keep nodding, see? I'm like a black president. These niggas ain't seeing me. Has-beens, we bump like bad skin, so face it. After this joint, yo, we passing out some neck. I got your head nodding cause your neck nose is fat. Check it out like this and then like that. I got your head nodding cause your neck nose is fat. Check it out like this and then like that. I got your head nodding cause your neck nose is fat. Check it out like this and then like that. I got your head nodding cause your neck nose is fat. Check it out like this and then like that. Yo, my tracks pack energy like nuclear reactors. I be mad skills in this be the nod factor. Actor, MC, smoke me, take a toke. I fuck your career like a cast on different strokes. No jokes. I see hairlines and start aiming rhymes. My shit have hard niggas and soul drain lines. Bumping with the big black broad named Belinda. Oh, you rap, don't say Jack, you walk quiet like a ninja. I injure beats, so you should expect to go to Cairo so I can practice checking that neck you got set. And guess what? I'm the one that said it. You'll regret it, cause my beats be employing paramedics. I wait, yeah, and it'll stay that way. I know you'll be back, you probably got some rhymes on layaway. But I be here freaking fat funk to make you sweat. Do me a favor and tell your neck that I ain't finished yet. I got your head nodding cause your neck nose is fat. Check it out like this and then like that. I got your head nodding cause your neck nose is fat. Check it out like this and then like that. Got your head nodding cause your neck nose is fat. Check it out like this and then like that. I got your head nodding cause your neck nose is fat. Check it out like this and then like that. Yo, I perfect tracks to get under your skin. If you ain't nodding by now, either you dead or a mannequin. My friend, resisting ain't good for your health. Put your tool on the shelf and just go for self. Need help, get the drink and get the high. Get your groove on before he get his lock and get up and party like God. I'm running things from the inside. Rap better wake because your style done died. Electric company Spider-Man MC saying nothing. Put your clothes on backwards if you feel like front. I'm hunting for beats on point like cleats. With a brand new sound you can pump in the streets and be the nard back. Rolling hard like tanks. I'm still for real bringing it to you some snack. This track will be in your ear like new
Sip on geeks, you made a Palm Beach. I'm on your rappers and the real champ. You got us to feel you still fear, cause I be here to 100% is the real here. If you battle well, you pick the wrong hand. I smash mics like cornbread, you can't kill me, I was born dead. And I'm known to pull steel tricks and kill pigs. I run with ill kids and real niggas who feel wigs. My reps are steady slamming, I keep a heavy cannon. It's a new sheriff in town and it ain't Reggie Hammond. He's still my people, the children of the corn. Cause we put it on, adios, ghost, I'm gone.
So put it on, big Al, put it on. Come on, put it on, big brother, put it on, it on. Big Al, you gotta put it on, it on. Put it on, big Al, put it on, it on. Put it up, you know what I'm saying? My man, Big Al, put it deep for the 9-4, the 9-0-S, you know what I mean? It's the King of Creek, the full flip. We can put it on something like this. Big Al, come on.
Lord Finesse,
Baby, putting it on.
my man Buck Wild,
Baby, putting it on, it on.
my man Fat Joe,
Baby, putting it on.
Joe Biz and AG,
Baby, putting it on,
I
it
get
on.
Diamond D,
Baby, putting it on.
Lord DICC,
Baby, putting it on,
and
it
of
on.
course King Capri,
Baby, putting it on.
Lord NYC,
Yeah, baby, putting it on,
and
it
I'm
on.
out, I'm out.
Out in Philly, you know what wanna hear. Hey, you ain't really you and you ain't really down. Plus I'm tired of seeing your fucking phony face around. Cause when I sit back and think back of how you plan me, it make me react and be at my fucking jammy. Now I don't cop, though my mind's in the sewer. I just kick back with 6 packs and then I do her. But she gets stuck on, clawing like a cat, and cause them coke got sucked on. She don't know how to act. Back in the days, I guess 237. Used to run with Kevin, bagging hoes was like heaven. 11 years later, I try to hide and hope they pass me by like I'm the far side. Just let me puff and lounge with my niggas. Don't have no time to fake funk with triggers. Don't believe in kids with that puss cat scent. Fuck around with fashion, get your whole shit bent. Spent crazy years with the blues paying dues before I met the psychos and the junkyard Jews. But now the crew combined and we can't be stopped. Go around the globe to collect our props. When I'm in New York, you know what I wanna hear. Yeah, you get props over here. Come on, out in Cali, you know what I wanna hear. Yeah, you get props over here.
When I'm down in Detroit, you know what I wanna hear.
Yeah, you get props over here. And when I'm out in Philly, you know what I wanna hear. Yeah, you get props over here.
I get stoned every day, I got nothing else to do. I'm getting drunk with my niggas till the night is through. And when the night is through, I won't have a fucking clue of what tomorrow brings, so I'll maintain. True. Yo, life's kinda funny. If you don't make money, then your days are fucking sunny. Excuse me for my language, but I'm trying to get my lamp stitched together and build a crib for me and my damn bitch under the ever. Had it like I deserve to have it. I whip it, I stab it, I grip it, I grab it. You silly rabbit, I'm coming at you pure. Tracks by the Stacks video and brochure. I'm sure, unlike others, wanna pop, use a piss drop. Talking that shit, you need to stop. Cause when I approach and you can't back up what you said, fly, you fucking head
Now when
like
I'm in
that.
Atlanta, you know what I wanna